how to install pip or pip on your Windows 11 machine. Normally, if you have installed your Python from python.org, you should have pip. So you can check. What you can do is start your command line. Here you can check the version of Python either by this command or by this command. You can also check with the command pip help to see if pip is installed on your machine. So when you say pip help, you should get this list of all the options available. If it is saying that this is not available or command not found, then you need to come to this URL. The link of this URL I have provided in the description. So just click on this, and here you need to get this Python file called get.pip, and you can download it from here. So what I am doing here is I'm clicking on this and I say save link as, and I save the link in my download folder. Now I come to my download folder and start my command prompt here. So now my command prompt is in the folder where I have my file installed. So here I simply need to give the command python get-pip.py, and that will download all the requirements and everything and will install. So now you can see that installing collection pip, attempted uninstall pip, to found existing installation 24.2, uninstalled 24.2, and then successfully installed 24.3.1. So I had 24.2 before, so it has automatically upgraded. So whenever you want to upgrade it in the future as well, you simply come and run this command and install the newer version. So in this case, which was same as the newer version. So this is how you install. So now you can see that this is working fine. So one simple thing, you go to this website, download this script and run this py script with a Python command, and that installs pip. Pip is a Python package manager which is used to install various Python packages. So if you want to learn how to install Python or how to work in virtual environments, there are a few links in the description for you to evaluate them. Thank you. Bye-bye.